Hey guys, today I'm going to do a little follow along video. This is a 2006 Infiniti M35x, and the customer complaint is rubbing noise at all speeds and vibration at all speeds, and gets worse at higher speeds, all while driving and braking. It's cost $22 to check the car out and see what's going on. So first thing I always do is just a quick walk around. Off the rip, I notice the tires are very bald and beat looking, especially on the edges. Let's go up toward the front. Got a lens missing here. Yep, very low, about maybe 2/32. Feels like even maybe belts showing on the inside. Let's keep going. Same thing on this side. Okay. Not sure if we'll even find anything interesting in this video, but you know, it's always fun to do a follow along once in a while. We're pretty slow today. Brakes got meat on them. All right, let's take it for a ride. She's got 156,000 miles on it. All right, already I hear grinding. Sounds like, I'm gonna tap the brakes a little bit. Oh yeah, we got grinding brakes, but it sounds, oh, that's a bearing. Sounds like maybe a combination. Got louder when I hit the brakes, so get her up to speed. Steering wheel's tracking straight. Yeah, that bearing's real bad. It's up front. Sounds like right front. When I hit the brakes, it gets louder. Had quite a bit of shaking there too. Let's get her up to speed again. Yeah, so that's just major bearing noise that I'm hearing. And some steering wheel shake, which is probably the tires. Hey, tires and bearings. Should be fun. Let's get her back and see what's going on. So you see, I had to stop this wheel to get the other side spinning, and you know, we got two bent wheels too, rims, goes right side. Just giving the whole car once over too. You can see the flanges for the mufflers are rotted out. So I'll note all this stuff down. Rattling exhaust shields. Ooh, severely rusted support member down here. It's pretty ugly. Looks like somebody already did the other wheel bearing, because I noticed one of the lower bolts is missing. It's only held on with 4 bolts, the wheel bearings. So it needs the right front. Let's see if I can find a bolt for that left front. But luckily these are easy to replace. Closer look at these tires. Separation in belts, all the way through the belts. And even the steel belts too. So that one's getting ready to blow up. The customer said go ahead on 4 tires and a new wheel hub bearing plus the alignment. I tried using the bolt from my collection on the driver's side for that one of the 4 that's missing, but the threads are screwed up on the bearing, so I told him, you know, he needs the bearing. I did check the torque on the rest of the 3 though, and it's all good. My steering column's noisy. Little rear camber and a touch of front toe. And the rear camber is adjustable. All right, got her all in the green, except for that rear camber. I could only get 0.2 out of it because the bushing seized up. And here we are on a test drive. Got her up to speed, about 40 miles an hour. Let go of the wheel, no more shaking, no more bearing noise. Fixed. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna get on out of here. Appreciate you checking it out if you watched the video. And this has been a no nonsense, no how presentation.